Yeah, so it's recording. So welcome to Sib Forex Pips Academy, and everyone is welcome to analyze the market and review the market, how it will go for this week. For this pair is GBP JPY. I have Kashmir with me here,
Yeah.
and yeah, we others will join soon. So hope we will have a great webinar. So here is GBP JPY Renko chart for hour, and what I see here is the uptrend. So the price is moving up, but as we trade real price action, so we'll see what the market gives us. This is a Renko chart. I will show you the candles chart and the Renko chart, but you will see the Renko chart is much better, uh, much better than candles chart. So here was a big support. Here was a big support, right? And here is a big resistance. Here is a big resistance. So if you see the price went above it and drived above it, so what we are seeing here is 1 minute here. So you see here is the price went above this level. So now it's coming like it's forming a coming to retest to this area, but because this is an uptrend, as this shows here, here as it shows, if you see here,
Yes.
uptrend, you see my trend line, and if you see
Yeah.
here is also uptrend, but here where it is, it's a big resistance. If you see from this area, 1 2, welcome, who is this? Danielle. Welcome, Danielle. And this is 3. So 3 resistance, 1 2 3 from the uptrend. The price should come down to this level, may drop to this level, okay, because this is a big support area, and then drive up. So from here where the price is till here is around 250 pips, but this is a candle chart. I will show you a proper Renko chart which shows you the real price action. This is a 4-hour, right? I'm only reviewing GBP JPY because I reviewed it and I know about it very well. So that's why I'm reviewing it, and because within my experience level. So here is uptrend. You see Renko chart. Renko
Yeah.
chart shows very well, because you see this was a resistance, came back down, resistance came back down. So this is a trend line, made a trend line, made a up move, then came back down, made a up move, came back down, made a up move, and it's now coming down. So this channel here, it will play to this channel because ups is the uptrend. But we'll see today if the price moves around where it is now till this level, till this 250 pips here. If you see in my calculator, in my graph here, I just pulled out a ruler here, and it's 250 pips. So we'll possibly see, if you see properly, right, guys, if you see properly, you see this red candle, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you see this red bar, this is a Renko red bar. When you see a Renko red bar, because I paid for, if you want this type of candlesticks, Renko, you can get them on TradingView, right? Trading view has this Renko charts, and yeah, has this Renko charts. So you can go to a pro version, then you will get it. But what I see here, if you see this week here, can you see this week here? Guys, can you see?
Yeah, yes.
Can you see this week here, right?
Yeah.
And the red bar. So this means what? You see the same thing here, right?
Yes.
The same thing here, right?
Exactly.
Yes, and then the same thing here, right?
Yes.
So this means the price is now rejecting this area because this is a resistance zone from the trend line, right? And this
Yeah.
Renko chart seems to be a sell. So this is about potential to 250 pips sell. So this may come down from this week to this area, 250 pips. So that's a market review for GBP JPY. What I see from my charts on Renko and the candlestick charts, and also if you see on my MT4, right? It has on a daily it has a pattern, and this pattern, if you see here, if I pull, you see this trend line, right?
Yeah.
If I pull it, sorry, if I pull this, you see it's a big trend line going up, but this trend line was touching here, touching here. So now the price should come down to touch here, so about 250 pips, and move back up. But we are now seeing for it for a sell. So hope today will will get in, but let us first wait and see what the price is doing, right?
Okay.
And then we'll catch this sell maybe on London, or it can drop in Asian session because market makers always. Today is Monday, so Monday is always very slow. So we'll wait for it. It will maybe go to this here level, then come back down, right? So maybe we shall put a sell stop after seeing what's going on, because the Renko charts are probably right and correct. So you guys have any suggestions and have any comments about it? And if you can see here, it made a big W, right? And then the price went up. So that's what I was seeing. Maybe you guys have something more else to say.
No, not yet.
Kashmir, what do you suggest about GBP JPY for this review I've shown you?
I just see the it's uptrend.
Yes, uptrend, yeah.
I just want you to draw a horizontal support instead of oblique.
Oh, okay. This horizontal support is here, here. So that's a red support. So that's it here. So that's a support. This is a support line here, right? So this is also a resistant line. Okay.
Yeah.
So now it's on a resistant line, and the daily chart. Okay. If you go to Renko, right? Because Renko has no noise. it shows you what it shows you, the correct thing, right?
Yeah.
So that's why you see this red bar here already formed. So this may drop
Yeah.
to this trend line here. So
Yeah. It's the range. It's in
this
the
is
range.
yeah, this is a support here. If you see, this is support because this was a resistance, right? Came here,
Yeah.
retest, came back up, retest, then came back up, then retest again, then go up. So that's why
Yeah.
it is playing to this level. So this is a support. So that's why this is a resistance. So it
Yeah.
went up a little bit, but this red bar is forming. Maybe after this red bar, right, we'll sell GBP JPY. And if you see in 1 hour, yeah, correctly shows you this 3 1 2 3 4 4 bars Renko chart. Already the
Yeah.
price came down, so it could come down to this level from here to here, around 250 pips. So if you can see properly with your eyes, this is a support, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because Renko charts never say lie. This is not a lie. So you can see this is a support here. The price went up again, made a resistance again. So this is a support here,
Mm.
right? So this GBP JPY should come down with the review, which I've shown you. If you see the trend line I've drawn, and even if you see on the candlesticks, still the same thing, right? Still the same thing, right? So this was a set resistant, 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 right? So it should come
Yeah.
down to this support, 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 and this was support. So GBP JPY is looking for a sell till 250 pips. So we'll catch at least 200 pips from it. We'll not lose that because we will follow the real price action. What is it doing? Now GBP JPY is very GBP is very hot. You see here in my currency meter,
Yeah.
GBP is very hot. So it's 6.6 and JPY is 4.4. So we'll not look for the sell now till the market settles down, right? Because one market opened, the second one is not yet opened. This is the Asian session, right?
Yes.
But still the price should maybe could come up to this level here and then drop, right?
Yeah.
Maybe not maybe this is a fake move here, so they will make a fake move to upside so people can buy, then they will drop this market down because overall trend is a downtrend, from this daily chart, if you see, right? I've drawn
Yeah.
you I drew just now you see here, this is a trend line, right? So from this area where the price is till this area for a support there are 250 pips. So I'm looking it for a sell, but we'll have a sell stop, or maybe we'll wait for the price to do its thing, then we'll get in because we don't want to hurry, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we don't want to hurry and make losses instead of making profits. If you see even in 4 hour, it has a pattern here, and this pattern could perform very well this week, maybe this two days here. Yeah, you see this is a trend up, right? From this price here to this here, right? From this price here to this here is around 250 pips. So at least we'll catch 200 pips. If you look on the trading view, It's much better, clear,
Can you
better than MT4. If you guys have any suggestions, you can bring it on, and we'll
yes,
have.
can you come back to please can you come back to Forex?
Okay.
So yeah, you see there's a line at 153, 250.
Yes, 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 yes,
Can you
yes,
draw the line, please? So because I'm afraid this line could be a kind of resistance
yes.
will
This,
become a no 153, 53.
yes, 250. Yeah, here.
Mm. So you see this line is very well aligned with you see
Support.
there's three
Yeah,
touch.
it's true.
I'm afraid that in this line is going to bounce for the uptrend. I'm just afraid
Again, again.
that
Okay, maybe because if you see, it broken the resistant, right? This was a
yes,
resistant, this was a resistant, this was a resistant.
yeah,
So it
yes,
broke, okay? It broke.
yeah,
The price went up, right? Maybe I
yeah,
should use another color here. Okay, the price went up, right? And now made broke this resistance. So maybe it
exactly.
should come down here and go up.
Yeah,
Uh,
maybe.
yeah, so we'll wait. That's why I told you we'll wait. Maybe we'll have a sell stop here. So if price comes here again, so it will hit our sell stop and maybe continue to this support
Yeah,
here. Yeah,
yeah,
if it doesn't, then our sell stop will not be hidden, and the price will continue up. So we'll not have losses. So that's what I was thinking about. But if I see
yeah,
the Renko chart, it shows me a very big sell, because the Renko chart doesn't go with the candlesticks. It goes with the price. Price means when 14 candlesticks form, okay, one bar forms. When 14 candlesticks form, one bar forms. So it has no noise. It has no noise, and it shows you clearly that this was a support, goes up, support goes up, support goes up, and then this was a resistance, this was a resistance, this was a resistance. But could anything can happen, because this is forex, and yeah, I will wait for it. But I was showing you the review of it.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, Kashmir, you said it from this area, right?
Yes.
Could
No,
be a
one.
support, right?
No. Let me is no. If you draw the horizontal line at exactly 153.250,
Yeah, that's a forex price action line. Yeah,
yeah,
here,
there you have it's kind of
a
the
support.
previous resistance become a
Yes,
new support.
yes, I
It's just
understand you
a
here,
kind of
here,
yes,
and can
yeah,
come to the support and go up.
yes. That's just
Yeah.
but the yeah in Renko is look different because it kind of is in the channel. So it's in the channel, uptrend channel. So it
Mm.
could come down, going up. So it could retrace. I mean, it's retrace or pull back. It could pull
Yep.
back, yeah, and go up. But it's the uptrend in basically.
Yep. 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 So let us see. Let us see, because we don't want to get in now, and we'll wait for it. We'll wait for it. I told you we'll put a sell stop here at 153,300. Okay, 153,300. No, 153,100. 153,100. We'll have a sell stop there. So if the price could come bounce there and down, so it will come around from this here to around 250 pips. Yeah. So we'll have a look. That's a review from me, right? I'm feeling at least better now, and I recorded this webinar so everyone could get it. And I told you, if you want the Renko charts on TradingView, you can click pro version. You see mine is pro. Okay, you can watch others what they say about the charts, right?
Yeah.
And because I just purchased for pro version, so I get Renko charts on the 4 hour, 1 minute, for 15 minutes. Every time frame I got a Renko chart, so I can go with the Renko chart and do well, because the Renko chart shows you big supports and big resistance, right?
Yeah, what I did.
Yeah,
It
so
looks clear.
yeah, it looks clear. Yeah, that's makes sense. Yeah, looks clear. So if you can go to if you see the review is for sale, but I want to do one thing here. Come down. So I hope this GBP JPY. Yeah, it's a Kashmir. You're right. If you see on 1 hour, right? So this
Yeah.
was a resistance. This was a resistance on Renko, and now the price went above it, right? So it came here,
Yeah.
made a support,
Yeah.
and it can
Yeah.
come up. Yeah, anything can happen. Anything can happen if you say like in 1 hour it shows like a support, because this was a resistance and this was a resistance. So the price broke
Yeah.
the resistance and made a support, right?
Yeah.
So anything can happen, but on 4 hour and a daily, on 4 hour, right? On 4 hour shows a down, and in a daily also. Okay, let me go on a daily. What is the daily? Yeah. So it can Kashmir. If we see on a daily, you can see here it's a resistance, right?
Yes.
Here in last time here was a resistance. So could price come up again to this level? Okay, to
Yeah.
this level. Maybe I should draw a horizontal line, right? To this level, right? And remove this here and remove this. So good price can come up to this level here, because this was a resistance on a Renko chart, right? This is
Yeah.
also a resistance on a Renko chart. So maybe price could bounce back and come till here to 3156320. 320. So if you go and MT4 156320 is around this place. So
Yes.
can price come up here then drop? Because from the Renko chart on a daily, right, shows you still a uptrend, right? Still a uptrend. But anything can happen, as I said, anything can happen. If JPY will be strong, then could fall this here to here, about 250 pips, right?
Yes.
Let's see what the price will do. Yeah, you see the ADR high.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the price could come there, then drop. Yep.
Yeah.
Let us wait. ADR high is about 154. 755, and our target was 156,250. 156. How much? 156. Let us see on daily. It's 156,320. So the price could come 320 is around here.
Yeah.
Is around here. 156,320 around here. So maybe it could come to ADR high, then drop. Anything can happen.
Yes.
What we want, we need to have long-term trades, and we'll have a profitable trade. Not because I see many people scalping. Scalping is getting them very ugly. Yeah, some lose scalping because scalping is not easy. It's not for everyone.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, that's true. Because scalping is not for everyone, and it needs very confidence about your trade.
But
So,
if we decide like the GBP GPY is an uptrend, so if you decide to scalp by buying,
yes,
this
yes, yes.
whatever
You are
happen,
true. You are true. You are true.
yeah,
Yeah, it
you
it
can,
could it could be a profitable trade, right? Very
yes,
profitable. So maybe but there's a risky trade, right? It's a counter trade we are doing. If we will do a, if we will do a sell, if we will do a sell, right? So
yeah.
let me hear what my friends told me here. So yeah. So if this we took this trade here, right? So it could be a counter trade, and the counter trade is very risky, right? Because anywhere from here can go up because this is uptrend, right? And
Yeah,
the trend is your friend, so it's better to maybe let's wait and see, because we need some pips. We need some pips. But the daily chart, you see the Renko chart, right?
yes,
It's everywhere green, 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 green candles, green bars. So still keep price, because this is a resistant here, and this is a resistant here, and this is a resistant here, and there are many resistance here, right? So could
yeah,
price come here, touch the 800 EMA. So this is the 800 EMA, right? If you see here, this is a blue line. This is
yes,
800 EMA. Can touch the 800 EMA, then fall all the way down.
yeah,
Because on the weekly, on the weekly, is now trending up. Is also trending up.
yeah,
But the resistant was here, right?
yes,
And the other resistance is here and here, right? So
it's an
put price
uptrend.
come up here, made a resistance. If you see, it's making a head and shoulder.
Exactly, in the weekly, head and shoulder,
Yeah.
exactly. Mm.
Yeah. So Kashmir, maybe this will be a big move down, but still it could come up here, then drop.
Yeah, we have just to watch your market. But
Yeah.
this was called by your friend on Friday.
Yep.
But
Yep. Yep.
yeah, but we didn't reach a cheap profit. It was called by we get in and sell stop.
The problem is GBP always is very high in strength. So that's why it is bringing up again the currency. That's why. But instead of it being a strength currency, but we'll have a sell from what the perspective I see here on weekly, right? And weekly, maybe we should draw them a big, where is my head and shoulder here? So everyone can see, right?
Yeah.
Because this webinar is recorded, right?
Yeah.
So this is the weekly Renko chart. And Renko chart shows a very head and left head and right shoulder. And this probably is a very big sell, but not now, till the price reaches here, right? Till the price reaches here, till the price reaches here. So at this level, we should have a sell from this level to this. So that will be a very big sell for us, because if you see from here to here, around 3,675 pips. Wow. So at least we catch 2,900. We'll have fun.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we'll have fun. So let us just be patient, and market is always there for us. We don't need to hurry. Last week, those weeks were rough, and we don't need a rough week. We only need a very probably nice setups. So let us wait, have patience. Everything will go as it's planned. Am I right, Kashmir? And I
Correctly.
see others also. Johanna's iPhone. Welcome, Johanna's. So in 15 minutes, this is the Renko chart. You see the price is this was a W here, right? So that's why price went up, right? So we'll have a big review on GBP JPY today, and hopefully we'll make some pips.
Yeah, hopefully.
And if you see, as Kashmir is saying, is true, because this was a resistance. This was a resistance, and price broke the resistance, right? Came back down to make a support. So this is a support, and now price can go up, as I said, because on a weekly and a daily is the uptrend still, and can touch this our level where we said that it could come to, yeah, it can come to this level.
Yes.
Yeah, so 156 230, yeah, 350 156 350. Yep, 156350 or 156250. That's a resistance level, a very big resistance level on the weekly, on the daily, and also on a weekly. Yeah, on a weekly also on this. If you see this head, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So, and this area, price could come down. So 156250, watch that place, make a remark, right?
Yeah.
Make a remark there, and watch the price, what's doing. Then we'll have 2,500 pips eventually. Because Renko charts never lie, as I see. and they are based upon the price.
Okay, let us see.
Yep. And this webinar is recorded so everyone can watch. So on the MT4, you see the price is moving up, right?
Yeah.
So still GBP is 5.6. So this is a game player on the market makers, as you see on the charts, is a game play because they are playing games with the people's money that they go long. Then after that they will take them out from a big sell. So let us wait patiently. Maybe we shall. With my friend Ben Kaizen, will have a webinar on London session. This was a review webinar because he is not there, and I just showed what I see, right? And you can see even on a weekly, there is a pattern formed, right? So that's why I told you where I told you here, 156,250, right?
Yeah, yes.
You see this a big resistance there, right? If you see from here, this is a big resistance, right? So can go up, then shoot down. Very big sell, around 2,500 pips. So we'll catch that. We'll catch that. एवढं नाही पैसा पकाशता पॉइंट ऑफ पेपर मिळू शकतो एवढं नाही webinar. So I see Graham, my friend, is also here, but we almost finished the webinar. But yeah, I was telling about this GBP JPY, and hopefully anything can happen because we are watching it. Maybe it can go up, but eventually is a big sell. On the daily, still it can go up for this level here, 156,250. 156,250, then come down, and on 4 hour is showing a sell. Let us see, maybe it can oh sorry guys, was my phone here, but I will receive it after finishing the webinar. So this price here, where is it now? This is if you see, as I told you, this is a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance. On a 4 hour, as I see, and should price come down to the Renko charts as it's uptrend. But still, if you see on 1 hour, it shows you that the price could make the resistant price broke the resistance, came back to support, and can come again up, then fall eventually on a weekly, on a daily time frames. So let us be patient. Hopefully, if you sell it from now, it's a very risk because it's going up, it's uptrend, and you must have a big stop loss. So if you do that, then you will have to have a smaller lot size, even if you have a bigger account. And even if we'll take this trade, no one will exceed 0.05. 0.05 is a maximum, and no one will exceed that because a very long-term trade, and it can be profitable about $200 to $300. For some guys will have even $3,000 to $4,000. So let us wait. It's a big trade, and because I was jumping on every pair and trying to watch and trying to review, but you can, even if you are a professional, you cannot do that. And professionals also have only one pair, and they have reviewed it and mastered it. So if you have a master one, then that's good, because here also on a 4-hour on a GBP JPY, so this was a resistant, and the price broke, you see, came back to the support, you see, so made a support, so this was a resistant, right? So this is a support, this is a support, and now this is a support. So you see the price support is there, so because this was a resistance. So that's what I see. And if you have any questions, guys, you can tell me, suggestions, because not everyone, we are all humans and no one is perfect. So that's it.
I think everything is clear in my side, and we can take an appointment in London session.
Yes, so I will put a webinar there. Hopefully we'll do it with my friend Kaizen.
Yeah.
So he's also experienced trader, because he has traded for a company, right, for long years. So he has around 6 to 7 years of experience.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Okay.
just soon, welcome. But the webinar is recorded, so hopefully you will watch it. And yep. So this is what I see, and I've showed you all the things which I've shown this GBP JPY. So maybe you see GBP is playing games. You see at the start of the session was very strength, had very strength, but now is losing strength. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's losing strength. So could the price come down very hard? And the euro is gaining strength. So euro GBP will be an uptrend from this week. Let me review also euro GBP, because I was on a buy since 3 days now. Okay, on 4-hour, okay, on 4-hour, right, on 4-hour is a very big support, right? If you see here, this is a Renko chart, right? And that's the market is consolidating, right? Ranging. Yes, see? It's ranging. So from the very big price move from the downside to upside, right? So that's why the market is relaxing. Everyone, even a human being, you cannot run 100 kilometers, then you still run for 200 kilometers. You will need to rest. So markets always rest. So this is resting, but this is a uptrend. So from this area here, where it is here, from here also there's a support. You see, support. So the price could go up, and if we see on a daily, yeah, you see on a daily, right shoulder, head, and left shoulder, right? And price could come up because this is a support. You see, guys, can you see the support, right? This was a resistance, this was a resistance. Price broke, came for a support, came up, came for a support, came up, came for a support again, came up, came for a support. So now it will go up, right? So if you need to buy Euro GBP, ready to go. Even if you buy it from now, put your stop loss, because I had a buy since last week, so I'll not buy it anymore. Put your stop loss where the price is from now. till put your stop loss to 100 pips, use risk management, you will be fine. Even if you put 50 pips, it's still fine. Still fine. But I recommend at least 60 pips, put a stop loss, use a small lot size. Your take profit should be around 150 pips, or take it to 100 pips. So that's your take profit will be 0.89450. 0.89450. So that's Euro GBP for a buy. Because on a daily, it's an uptrend, and if you want to see it's an uptrend, you see from here, right? So, and this was a support, right? So the made a support, made a resistance here, right? Made a resistance, price broke this, came for a support, came up, came for a support again. So it is just for within a support, so price could come up, and it made a very right shoulder head, right shoulder for a buy, right? If you want to see on a candlesticks, I will show you. You see on the candlesticks is not very clear. Can you see? So you see, guys, it's not very clear on candlesticks. Very choppy. But if I put on a Renko, you can see, right? So guys, I think that made sense for today. If you need to trade Euro GBP, that's going up. So it's upon you guys. And if I see on 1 hour, yep, it's a support. It's a support area. And if I see on a 15 minutes, yep, it's a very big support. Guys, Renko charts never lie, right? So you see this support, support, support. 3 supports. What do you need more? Uptrend. So it's better to buy. And hopefully today I'll make some profits. You see, I'm in negative, but I will close these trades in profits. So, sorry guys for a whistle. Yeah, so that's it. That's my review, but my big pair is GBP, JPY for a nice setups, as I showed you, on a daily, on a week, on a monthly, on a weekly, on a daily, and on a 4 hour. So you see, Kashmir, are you there? Kashmir, are you there?
Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mute myself. I'm sorry, I didn't mute myself. I'm okay.
Yeah, so you see the price is still going up on the Renko. Yeah. So that's why I told you, wait for 156. 156 on a daily. 156,250, right? That's what I told you, right? Yep. So that's it. And this webinar is recorded. I'll put it on the I will put it on the group so everyone can get it. Also, those who are on Facebook, join on Facebook, because I put the link on Facebook. You will join this link here. I'm posting it on our.
Right.
I'm posting it in chat area, or you can go to our website, right? Our website is here. Where is our website? Where is our website? Here. So this is our website, www.sibforexpips.com, right? Did everyone be a member on it? You go to members area, right? You can write me an email if you want to write an email with me, and it will straight come to me. So, and then you can be a members. You can sign up here. So everyone, I'll see you on the blogs. I have a blog, but I didn't post anything. I will start posting maybe from next week, because when you click the blog, it will tell you Forex Pips blog posts coming soon, right? So the blogs, okay. So our homepage is this, right? So you can go to our Telegram group. It's here. You see, we have Facebook, Telegram. Once you click here, it will take you to our Telegram group, and you will join. It's free. And then from there you will get updates on what we are doing, and you probably will subscribe for it, right?
Okay.
Yep. So Kashmir, how is my setup here with my company?
I'm sorry, I I didn't.
Okay. I'm asking, how is my setup with my company? Is it fine? Is
Oh,
everyone?
nice, nice. Now I have to go over it and try to appreciate it. I didn't make a round there, so I will do it and give you a feedback.
Yeah. So it's just you got to this Sib Forex Pips. Maybe I should put it on the chart here. Let me put it on the chart so everyone can get it. So there you go. Everyone has that Sib Forex Pips, and you can. It is a very big website. If you see, it has many things. You can read there our signals for $35 a month. We have a training for $200 per 1 week. I train myself. So we have this grid here, grid kills, and this is MM4X software. If you want it, then it's upon you. That's all things we have in market. So because nothing is free, right? Nothing is free, and yeah, nothing is free. So everything, it comes by money. So depends on yourself for your commitments, right? But I will help as much as I can, right?
That GPY is playing. I don't understand him.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll wait
See,
for it. We'll wait for it. It's just now playing. The strength is same with GBP, JPY. You see, JPY and GBP, the strength is same. So it won't go anywhere. Go anywhere. The pair to trade now for this session is Australian dollar. Is very. It has a very big strength versus CHF. Australian dollar, the Swiss franc.
For a buy, right?
Yeah, for a buy. Yeah.
Can you open the chat just to confirm this metrics?
Where
Trend matrix.
Australian dollar
You
CHF,
you
right?
got it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. I just want to see if they are right. Oh yeah, you see.
Yeah, they're right. The price is going up. So the price is going up.
Okay.
CHF is very weak, and the price should go up. So that's why it's going up now. That's a trade to that's a pair to trade now if you want to trade AUD CHF.
Okay.
Right. And if we go to the Renko charts, AUD CHF.
Yeah, I think they did.
Yeah, so it's an uptrend, but it's on a 4-hour. It's very resistant area.
Yes.
Yeah. So anything can happen. See, resistant, 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 resistant. The price could come down, then move up. So
Yes.
yeah, but in 15 minutes for a scalping, it's still up. It's still uptrend. So you can get in for a buy, but it's late. You could have bought it from here when the market started. So it moved around 15 pips.
Yeah.
So that's because it has no a big ADR. It has no a big ADR, right? Because if we see on the scanner, so that's the scanner, right?
Yeah.
So you see a pair to trade is these 100 ADRs, 100 and something, 100 and something, 100 and something. These ADRs here. These pairs, that's the pair to trade, right? So GBP CHF is going up, right? You can trade also that, right? GBP CHF. Is someone making some noise? Yeah, GBP CHF is going up. GBP CAD is also going up for now, right? So GBP is overall has a strength now. So everything changes. We'll have look at GBP JPY, as I said. That's a pair I'm looking for to trade. So hope the webinar is almost 1.5 hours, and I need some rest, and I will be up for London session, right? But don't forget to subscribe on my website. Go to my website, go to members area, sign up for a members area, right? You will see our blogs, and go down here, follow us on a social media. We're on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, and there we go, right?
Okay.
Yep, we'll have also a YouTube channel soon. We have, but we didn't upload any video. Let me show you. We have Sib So we have our channel, right? You see that's our photo here, but we didn't upload any video, but soon we'll start uploading like these webinars, right? And we'll have more subscribers. Make sure you go and subscribe for Sib Forex Pips. Search it, and I will send you a link on my video when I upload it, right?
Okay.
So that's it for now. So thank you everyone for joining the webinar.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you. I enjoyed it.
thank you everyone for joining the webinar and supporting what we are doing.
Thank you. I enjoyed it.
And I will make sure we catch this GBP sell, right?
Okay.
Yep. For now it's
Okay.
trending up, and let's wait for it, right?
All right.
Yep. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.